Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss third question, that is, show that x minus 2, x plus 3 and x minus 4 are factors of the given expressions. So according to factor theorem, so let's take what is factor theorem is. So g of x, let's take g of x plus a will be is a factor of f of x. So factor of f of x, then if you substitute x value, so if you equate with 0, x plus a equate with x is equals to minus a, then what is the remainder? The remainder will be equal to 0. That is our factor theorem. So remainder, if you substitute x value here, then it will get 0. That is the remainder. Remainder will be 0. So let's take function f of x. So let's take function will be f of x, x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So let's take the g of x and t of x and p of x are the factors. What they are given? X minus 2, x plus 3, then x minus 4. So these are the factors that are telling. So first one is, we are going to check g of x, that is the factor or not x minus 2. That will be x minus 2 will be equal to 0, then x is equals to 2. What is that? X is equals to 2. So if you substitute x value here, then what you will get here is, then remainder should be equal to 0. Then f of 2 will be equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 24. So 2 cube will be 8 minus 3 into 4 minus into minus, minus into plus will be minus plus 24. So 8 minus 3 fours are 12 minus 20 plus 24. So here 8 plus 24 we will get 32. Then minus here also 32. So what is that? So 32. Then here also minus 12 plus 20 minus 20 32. So you will get remainder as 0. So what is that? X minus 2 is a factor. For f of x, is a factor of f of x, whatever it is that. Then our second one is, so what is that? Our second one, you can take it as x plus 3, that is t of x. T of x will be equal to x plus 3. T of x will be equal to x plus 3. Then x plus 3 will be equal with the 0. Then x is equals to minus 3. This value will going to substitute in the f of x. So f of x will be equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So that is our expression. So let's take here, substitute the values. The substitute f of minus 3, the minus 3 whole cube minus 3 into minus 3 whole square minus 10 into minus 3 plus 24. So here odd number came for that minus 3 cube will be 27 minus 3 into here even number came for that minus will become plus 3 square is 9 minus into minus will become plus 30. So 10 3 is a 30 plus 24. So let's take minus 27, here also minus 3 9s are 27 plus here 54. Here also 27 plus 27. So minus for that, what you'll write here is minus, same symbol but we have to add 54 plus 54. So minus will going to cancel, minus and plus. Therefore x plus 3 is a factor of f of x. You can write like that. Then our third one is p of x. So here we have to check p of x will be equal to x minus 4 is a factor or not. X minus 4 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 4. This one we need to substitute in the f of x function. What is that? X cube minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. So this one we have to substitute in the place of x. So f of 4, that is 4 cube minus 3 4 square minus 10 into 4 plus 24. So we have to check it in 4 4s are, that is 4 4s are 16, then 16 into 4 64. So 64 we will get minus 3 into 4 4s are 16 minus 10 into 4 40 plus 24. So 64, 16 into 3 48 minus 40 plus 24. So 64 here, 64 plus what you can take 88. Here minus minus we need to add. So plus plus we are added, minus minus. Here also 88. So we are going to cancel. Then what you will get? 0 we will get. That means therefore x minus 4 is a factor of x minus 4 is a factor of f of x. Like that we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So our next question is fourth one, that is show that x plus 4, x minus 3 and x minus 7 are factors of x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. So here let's take our first one is x plus 4. So for that let's take x, g of x will be equal to x plus 4. Then what is f of x? This is f of x will be equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. So according to factor theorem, that g of x is a factor, then x value will going to substitute equate with the 0, then x is equals to minus 4. So this value we are going to substitute in this, then remainder should get 0. So let's take remainder will be equal to f of minus 4. So that one should be substituted in the given expression and we should get 0. Then only it is a factor. Then minus 4 whole cube minus 6 into minus 4 whole square minus 19 into minus 4 plus 84. So here minus 4 whole cube. So here minus, for that odd number came, for that it will become minus only. 4 cube will be equal to 64 minus 6 into here even number, for that minus will become plus, that is 4 square is 16. Minus into minus will become plus. 19 fours are, so 19 fours are, what is that? 76. So 76 plus 84. So let's take minus 64 plus 96. So 16 6 are 96 minus 96 plus 76 plus 84. So what is this? So here minus 64. Sorry, here minus. So minus into minus, here minus. So minus minus, if you add, that means what you will get? 64 plus 96. If you add, same symbols to get. So same symbols, that is minus 160 plus 76 plus, that is also plus 160. So here minus minus, right? For that we took addition, same symbol. Minus 160 plus 160 will go into 0. So cancel, that is 0. That means x plus 4 is a factor of, so x plus 4 is a factor of f of x, that is whatever given expression. Next, our second one is x minus 3. So let's take x minus 3. G of x is equals to x minus 3. X minus 3 will going to equate to the 0. That means x is equals to 3. So these when we have to substitute in the f of x. Let's do it. F of x will be equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. So let's take this one, we are substituting. The remainder should be equal to 0. Then f of 3 will be equal to x value we are replacing here. So factorize for that. So 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into, sorry, minus 19. Minus 19 into 3 plus 84. So 3 cube 27 minus 6 into 9 minus 9 3s are 19 3s are, what is that? 19 3s are 57 minus 57 plus 84. That will be equal to 27 minus 54 minus 57 plus 84. So here 27 plus 84, what is that? 27 plus 84, we will get 111. So 111 minus minus, for that we need to add, but symbol is same. So 54 plus 57, what is that? 111. So what you can show that? 111. So plus 111 minus 100. So remainder is 0. Then remainder 0 means what you can say? That x minus 3 therefore is a factor of, as a factor of f of x, that is given expression. Our third one, last one is x minus 7, that is g of x will be equal to x minus 7. X minus 7 will be equal to the 0, then x is equals to 7. X is equals to 7. So what is f of x? So f of x will be equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 19x plus 84. So substitute this x value here, then remainder we will get. So remainder will be equal to f of 7, that will be equal to 7 cube minus 6 into 7 square minus 19 into 7 plus 84. So let's take here 7 cube will be equal to 7 sevens are 49 into 7, what is that? 343. So 343 minus 6 into 49 minus 19 into 7, what is that? 19 into 7 will be 133. So 133 plus 84. So let's take here 343 and 84. If you add means 343 plus 84, what is that? 427. So 427, let's take 427, then minus 6 into 49 it will come, 6 into 49 will become 294. So 294 minus 133, then what you will get? 427, minus is there, right? So that we need to add, but symbol is same. So 3 plus 7, 1, 9, 12, 12 will write here 1, 1. 427. So plus 427 minus 427 will going to cancel. Then remainder is 0. So for that, what you can say, therefore x minus 7 is a factor of f of x. Like this we need to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.